Please be advised that the following video presentation is for educational and training purposes only. Before making any financial or tax decisions, please consult a registered tax agent.
Hello everyone, this is Brenda Ferguson from Impact Taxation and Financial Services. In this session, I'd like to show you the working file we have designed to help a business to prepare a quarterly BAS return. Once you send us this file for every quarter of the year, at the end of the year, we can use the same files to prepare your end-of-year tax return as well. By using this file, you don't have to purchase a financial software. Also, by processing everything in Excel, you don't have to do a data entry for each business transaction. So this file will help you to save both time and money. The only limit of it is that when you need to issue multiple invoices to your customers, it is probably more efficient using a proper software to do that. If you only need to issue limited number of invoices, let us know and we can show you how to do it in Excel. Now let's have a look how to use this file. The first step is you need to generate a CSV file from your business bank account. All major banks in Australia do provide a method for you to generate CSV files from internet banking. If you're not sure how to do it, let us know and we will help you. So here is an example of a CSV file. You just need to copy and paste it to the working file from column A to G. If in case the CSV file you generated from your bank is not exactly matching the columns, you just need to make sure that the dates are in column A, amounts are in column B, and descriptions can be either in column E or F. For the amounts, you need to make sure that when you receive money, it should be a positive amount, and when you pay out money, it should be a negative amount. Once you have the CSV file copied here, from each line you need to select an item from the drop-down list in column H based on the nature of the incomes or expenses. For an example, for the first line, based on the description, you remember that you brought some tools from Bunnings. You select tools from the drop-down list. Then in the next column, you know that the total amount included GST, so you will select GST in the drop-down list. Once you have done this, the GST and net amount will automatically show up in the next two columns. One thing I'd like to mention here is that for most of these transactions, you don't need to pass a copy of your tax invoice to us. But for any amount above $82.50, make sure that you do keep a tax invoice with you if you're registered for GST. It is a tax office requirement, and if in case you're picked up in a GST audit from ATO, you will be well prepared. Now you have finished the first line. You just need to continue and make sure you fill in income expense type and GST code for each line. If in case you have other business income or expenses through cash or credit cards, you can list them below the section for bank transactions. Make sure the dates and amounts are in the right columns. Similar to the above, with the amount, a payment should be negative and money received should be positive. You can add a description in either column E or F. Then similar to the above, you need to update the income expense type and GST code for each line as well. Once you have updated the information for each line, you can send us a file to prepare your quarterly GST now. Hope you find this session helpful. There are some Excel tricks that might help you to speed up the process to prepare this file. We'll introduce these tricks to you in our next session. If you have any questions with the file, please feel free to let us know. Our contact details are listed below. Thanks for joining us. See you in our next session.